Hi guys, welcome to weekly technical forex forecast for the 31st of July, 4th of August. My name is Andrew Shaneski. I'm a technical analyst at AAFX trading company, and traditionally we'll begin our forecast with the Euro USD currency pair. Last week we saw a strong and abrupt growth of the price, then a pretty strong correction, but finally the price went up and now it's trading near the local maximum. If we take a look at our volume chart, you can see that the price totally absorbed its previous fall. The growth was supported on increased volume, which is a good signal for the continuation of the global uptrend for the Euro USD currency pair. But unfortunately, volume is and was spread across the chart, so we are unable to highlight any new volume levels or zones, but still our factors are telling us that we should consider opening long positions. So we can enter the market when the price corrects down. The correction should be smooth and on small volume, and then after the resumption of the growth on increased volume, we can enter the market. A stop loss should be set below this level. It's 1.1650. It's the lower level, the lower limit of this correction and the stoppage of this correction, and you see that from this level the price resumed its growth, so it will be a good place for putting our stop loss. So we open long positions, and the potential of the deal is around 120 pips. So for the euro, long positions are still in priority. Our next currency pair is GBP against the US dollar. You see that the price also copied the euro move, so we saw a strong growth of the price, then a strong fall of the price, and on Friday a strong growth of the price once again. And now you see that the pair is trading near the local maximum, and we need to highlight a very important level. It's 1.3150. It's the level of resistance, plus it's a local maximum of this currency pair. If we take a look at our volume chart, you see that this level contains pretty large volume, and from this level the price showed a strong bearish impulse, so that it's a crucial level for us. So of course, given the strong local uptrend and given the growth of the price, abrupt growth of the price on Friday, we should consider opening long positions, but we can enter the market after the confident breakout of the level of resistance. The breakout should be on increased volume, it's very important, and then after the fixation of the price above it, we open long positions and wait for further growth of the price, for the continuation of this local uptrend. A stop loss should be set below the breakout volume bar. A potential of the deal is around 110 pips. So for the pound, long positions are in priority. And our next currency pair is USD against the Japanese yen. You see that the downtrend for this pair continues as the price fell down sharply last week. You see that fall of the price was abrupt, it was sharp, so it's a good signal for the continuation of the downtrend, of the global downtrend for this currency pair. And if we take a look at our volume chart, you see that every fall was supported by increased or large volume, which is also a good signal. And unfortunately, as you can see from the chart, the volume is spread throughout the chart, throughout the move, so we are unable to highlight any new volume levels or zones. But still, given the presence of the strong downtrend, given the sharp fall of the price, given that this falls was supported by large volume, we should consider exceptionally short positions. We can enter the market after a smooth correction of the price up. The correction should be on small volume, and after the resumption of the fall on increased volume, we enter the market, open short positions. A stop loss should be set above the level 111.30. It's the place from which the price showed a strong fall on Friday, and a potential of the deal is up to 120 pips. So for the Japanese yen, short positions are in priority. And our last instrument is gold. Situation here is pretty good for trading because we have a strong uptrend. You see that price grew up strongly, confidently, moves was abrupt. Also, we need to highlight the new level of support which was created on Friday. It's 1263.40, 1266.10. This level contains really large volume. If we take a look at our if we take a closer look at our volume chart, you see that it contains pretty large volume. You see that this growth was supported by a large volume. Besides it, you can see that even previous growth was also supported by a large volume, so that in such a case we should consider and give preferences to long positions. So unfortunately, from the current level we are unable to open long positions because stop loss will be really huge and it will be unprofitable. So to get a better entry point and better risk profit ratio, we need to wait for the smooth correction of the price to the level of support or the test of the level of support, and after a strong and sharp rebound of the price from it, we can open long positions. A stop loss should be set here. It's the level 1259.00, the level from which the price grew up strongly on Friday and on large volume. A potential of the deal is more than 120-130 pips. So for gold, after the test of the level of support or the correction, smooth downward correction to the level of support, we can open long positions and wait for further continuation of the uptrend for this instrument. Let's take a look at the sentiment of the market. Well, here the situation is pretty good for trading because our deals, our scenarios for the euro, for the pound and for the yen are confirmed. You see that for the euro and for the pound we should open long positions. For the yen we should open short positions because we are trading against the crowd. As for gold, you see that the situation is 50-50, but still, given the strong uptrend and the presence of the level of support, of fresh level of support, we should give advantage to long position. So overall, there are plenty of good scenarios for trading. We just need to watch for good entry points and trade. For today it's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. See you next week. Bye bye.